How to join broadcast channel on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to join the Instagram broadcast channel. So without any much ado, let's dive right into the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your particular account. And when a creator that you follow on Instagram creates a broadcast channel on Instagram, you will get a notification. At the top of the screen, you can easily find out the notification icon, which is the heart shape icon next to the messenger icon. So let's tap on the heart shape icon and you can easily scroll and locate that notification. At the top, you already have got the notification that this user has invited you to join their broadcast channel. So let's tap on it, and here are all the invitations or the list of the broadcast channel that has been sent us the notification. You can simply open any one that you would like to and join the broadcast channel on Instagram. So once you have opened, tap on the join button in order to get added to the broadcast channel of this Instagram user. If you don't, you can tap decline as well. Tap on the join button, and after that you have successfully been joined to the broadcast channel on Instagram. So you need to remember that only these selected users can message on it. Now you can only read and react to those posts that has been sent to this broadcast channel on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and subscribe.